The house is located on a 6,000 square meters plot with a view of Jurumaram Reservoir in the municipality of Itai/SP, 300 kilometers from the capital of São Paulo. The architecture is based on the structural modulation of the floor plan into regular spans that form a prismatic pavilion, with a 4.00 by 4.00 grid defining the dimensions of the internal spaces of the residence. The delicate composition of the overlapping volumes gives the building the intended lightness, making the large rectangular wooden prism, 24.00 by 32.00, hover approximately 80 centimeters above the ground without touching it. The elevation of the main volume of the house about the ground, allowing for ventilation and avoiding the transfer of heat and humidity to the interior of the house. Here's a look at the plan. Regarding the water reuse system, two 5,000-liter cisterns were installed to store rainwater collected from the roof slabs, which are reused for garden irrigation and external cleaning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.